Garden. It's Miss Hashiguchi here for another week of writing. Today, I just wanted to introduce you to what we will be working on this week. This week is Earth Day, so I thought it would be a good idea if we share our opinions on different ways we can help the Earth. Now, as you see on our Google Slides, you will notice that I have uploaded a video all about Earth Day and a book all about different ways that you can help the Earth on Earth Day. So your job today is, first of all, listen to those videos and books, and then second of all, print out this graphic organizer. So as you can see, it says, ways I can help the Earth. And as you know, good writers always use a sheet to brainstorm their ideas, because brainstorming is the first step in writing a really good story. So after you watch the videos and listen to the book, I want you to get out this circle map graphic organizer, and I want you to think, what were some of the ways that the video and the book talked about how to help the Earth or how to take care of the Earth? So I remember listening to one, and one said I could plant trees. So I would get my pencil out and I would write plant trees in this circle. Another reason or way that I can help the Earth is to recycle. So I would take my pencil and I would write recycle. So your job is to fill in this circle map to brainstorm ideas. Now keep this circle map handy, because we will use it tomorrow to take those ideas and write them in our story. Have a great day, and can't wait to hear your story.